Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I'll show you how to clear cache in your Samsung Galaxy A05s phone. Today I'll show you two methods that you can use to clear cache in your phone. Now for the first method, go to your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to apps. Now from here find the app that you want to clear cache. If I select Google Maps and then scroll down again, then go to storage. And here at the bottom you can see clear cache option, then just tap on clear cache and it's done. Now the cache has been cleared successfully. Also if you want to clear data, then just tap on clear data, then tap on delete and it's done. Now for the second method, go to your app screen. Now if you want to clear cache of Google Maps, just touch and hold it, then tap on this icon, then scroll down again and go to storage. And here it is. You can also clear cache from here. And that is how you can clear cache in your Samsung Galaxy A05s phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.